We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On this channel we talk life, food, family, and fun, and life right now has a lot to do with Christmas. So I'm going to teach you 2 ways to make a Christmas centerpiece that will knock the socks off your guests and they're edible. Want to see what I mean? Stay tuned and let's do this. If you are new here, thanks for stopping by. I hope you'll consider subscribing. That's that red button down there. And then when you do, hit that bell so that you're notified of every video I post, which happens every Tuesday and Thursday, and there's always something new. Now last week I showed you a video on making salted caramel crack, which is a crowd pleaser. You can throw that together in 15 minutes. Super, super easy, great to take to any holiday party. Everyone will love it. I guarantee you can't eat just one. If you did not catch that video, I will link it in the cards above and at the end of this video so that you can check that out if you want something just super simple, quick, easy to throw together at the last minute for a great holiday sweet snack. But this one, in case you're hosting a holiday party or you're going to one where you really want to bring something that's really gonna wow your guests, this is it. And they are actually really easy to make. They're just a little time consuming, that's all, but they're super, super easy. So the first one is going to be a centerpiece that I actually entered with my mom into a competition. We won this competition for the best table, and it's really, really easy. The only thing that you really have to buy is a cupcake tower. I'll have a link in the description to grab one if you don't have one. And then you're going to need a tip that makes leaves for frosting. So any kind of frosting tip that makes leaves and a frosting bag to be able to pipe on the green leaves. Those are the only kind of odd things that you might have to buy for this. So the first thing you're gonna do is make your favorite cupcakes. It's as easy as that. You can do red velvet, you can do chocolate, you can do vanilla, you can do a spice cake. If you're doing a keto diet, I have a spice cake recipe with cream cheese frosting that's amazing. I'll link that there. You can do whatever you want for cupcakes. The only thing that you have to consider is that you need a white frosting. So you need a cream cheese frosting or vanilla frosting, something that's white chocolate, and that you can turn green with green food coloring. So that's what you're gonna do. Make green food coloring, spread a thin layer over the top of those cupcakes, and then you're gonna pipe on leaves to make it look like a tree. Because basically what we're doing is we're making a Christmas tree out of this cupcake tower. So once you have your cupcakes made with the leaves piped on, all you're gonna do is use sprinkles for toppings. Now I found ones that had really cute little gingerbreads in there, little mini gumdrops, just things that you can sprinkle on for your ornaments. Also, I hung little mini candy canes, little ornaments, things kind of all around on those little wires that the cupcakes are setting on, and it just looks like you've decorated a Christmas tree. In between those areas where it looks sparse, to really make it look like a tree, I used flat leaf parsley and stuck those in all over the place to make the actual tree, and then I just used a sugar cookie to make a star. At the base of it, I used a gold charger. I stuck some moss that I found at Michael's around the base of that, and that was your centerpiece. It is absolutely gorgeous. It is so easy to make. Just make sure you put those sprinkles on and everything on the cupcakes before that icing dries so that they will stick. Also, if you are not hosting this in your home, I highly recommend assembling this once you've arrived at your location, because those cupcake stands are not the most stable things for travel. And so if you put those cupcakes in a box, take everything with you, it only takes a couple minutes to set it up once you get to where you're going, and it is absolutely gorgeous. I love this. Everybody loved it. It is so easy to make, super, super fun. Alternatively, you can make a fruit platter for Christmas, but not just any fruit platter. You're gonna turn this fruit into Christmas trees. And all you're gonna need is to go to Michael's or Hobby Lobby, or if there's some on Amazon, I'll find that and link that below. But you're just gonna need styrofoam cones that are green, and you'll need 2 of those that are differing heights and sizes to give it a little bit of a contrast. Then I used a plate that was rectangular in shape and put those 2 cones on that. Then you get fruit, you get toothpicks, and you get flat leaf parsley, and that is it. What you'll do is take these toothpicks and stick them into the styrofoam and then stick your fruit on. Now sometimes if you're using blueberries or raspberries or blackberries or things that are smaller, you're gonna cut that toothpick a little bit down so that it's not sticking out, obviously. But all you do is stick them all the way around, different varying levels, heights, all of that, and you're gonna make fruit trees. And then in between the little gaps in the fruit, you'll just take little pieces of flat leaf parsley, stick that in all over to fill it in, and then I made stars out of pineapple. That goes in the top, again with a toothpick. And then when you are ready to serve, just before you're ready to serve, you're gonna dust both of these recipes actually, but you're gonna dust them with powdered sugar. And just do that especially on the one that is the fruit, because it will absorb some of that sugar and it'll disappear, you won't see it. But if you dust it with a little sifter over the top, it looks like snow has just fallen on your beautiful trees, and it is absolutely gorgeous. And then people just come by and pick a piece of fruit off. Super, super easy to do. It's just a little time consuming sticking them all in there, but I guarantee you, people will love these creations. They're so beautiful. So that's it. I hope you've enjoyed this. I hope you'll go out and try something fun for your holiday party to either take somewhere or have at your own home. These things are actually really easy to make, and they are kind of the Instagram showstopper ones that you'll just get rave reviews over. So otherwise, I hope you're having a great day. Stay inspired, and I will see you in the next video. Merry Christmas.
We wish you